We're starting up day 3. Rained over the weekend, but everything is dry now. So we'll get the gravel done, get the laying level laid out, then we'll lay the pavers. So we've set the slope. This is a 32-foot length, and we're sloping it 1 3/4 of an inch over 10 feet. The minimum you can do is 1 inch over 8 feet. So it's a little bit more than the minimum, just to deal with the yard slope. We're using 7 mil as a bedding for the pavers to sit on. Right now, Calvin and Sam are screeding. We just set these 1-inch diameter pipes in the ground at the slope that we want, and they're each 10 feet long. It is the end of day 4, and we finished laying the patio. We just have to do the polymeric sand tomorrow because we ran out of time today, but it's all cleaned off. You can see these pavers look absolutely gorgeous. 520 square feet. So yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. Build that little deck. And then we'll hopefully do the sod and the flower beds too. We'll see how much time we have left.
starting at just $59.95. And don't forget, now you can buy a ski license for any piece of equipment. All of our products in business hours to be found on our website.
So now we're watering the poly sand, and it sets up almost like you'd say glue or mortar or concrete in between the joints and holds all the pavers together. So over in this area, we have all of where the edger's in, and we'll have to just put some landscape fabric in there before we can replace mulch. And then in between the sod and the edger is more sod. So originally they had mulch up to here, but then they found that mice and water were in it, and so they wanted just rock in there instead. Yeah, over in this section as well. Ready for sod. We just have to grade this area. Deck and landing are getting built, and then we'll be starting the stairs and railings soon. Over there we're just prepping for weed cloth in that area and rock, and then this area just mulch. Put an edger in here, and then we can do sod. we're all done. Here's this patio. You can see that the sod transitions nicely now into the new rock. All this new sod with rock here. And obviously the patio. Now we got the patio all cleaned up. Project's finished, so I'm just gonna do some drone shots while it's all clean, and yeah, you can just see the process of that. You can see, like right here, it starts getting blown. And you can see me right there trying to grab it out of the air before it crashes, hits the wall. And I just tried to grab it out of the air, and it ended up like slicing my finger up. Yeah, thanks for staying with us on this one. We'll catch you in the next one.